Hi everyone, Kevin Smiley from Abilene Middle School. Today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of a planner page or some sort of home page for your classroom and then show you how to set that up. Currently at my school we've each got our own planner pages in the 6th grade for each core class, and from the home tab of our planner page is where I can manage my classroom for students, and they go here almost every day, and it's kind of like my objectives and things we're doing throughout the week. I can link things, so this goes straight to the school website. I've got a link here that goes straight to my classroom website that I've created in the past years. I don't really use it anymore though because of the benefits of having a kind of a planner page, and this goes straight to my email. But anyway, as you can see as I scroll through here, this is what we're doing in class this week, and the students can see that. They could look ahead if they wanted to. And then what you see here in blue is some hot links to the assignments and the worksheets that they'll be doing that I have saved as PDFs or scanned into the drive of BigCampus and attached from there to make it completely paperless. And then at the end I got a little funny video for them too, the importance of not texting and driving as a woman falls into the fountain. So just something fun there. But you can put videos on here that kids can watch on their iPad. That are filtered through your server, and so they're safe, and your iPad will let the kids get to that video at least of YouTube, and so that's a big benefit of it. As you can see from this part of my planner page, this is what we've done throughout the course of the year. I've put a page for each week, and so for example, if I go back to maybe this one, week 5, I'll have some videos linked on here. So this is a video we did in class, but kids would also be able to watch that on their iPad at any other time. If they were on the school server or during a seminar or a study hall or something, if I wanted them to wear their earbuds and watch it individually, they could. And they could, fast forward and go back or all that stuff at their own pace. So that would be a benefit if that was something you have always wanted to do. So, I can put multiple videos on there that I think are a benefit to the kids. Well, let me come back to show you some of these links. So like I said, I can put a quick link to things that I want them to do, and if this were on the iPad, this would open up this organizer, and then they'd be able to touch up here and send it to Notability, and then they could handwrite on here and it would save to their iPad, and they'd be able to submit it back through MyBigCampus. And so I have found tons of benefits of working with MyBigCampus and the iPad this year. Haven't had to actually make a copy yet, and the first quarter's almost over. I'm going completely paperless. So let me show you how to create a group like this so that you can think about doing it yourself. So you go to Groups on the left-hand side. If you're in an iPad, you have to have it in landscape mode in order to get these to show up. So from here you just create a new group. You give it a title. Select your school. You can describe it. You can add a picture if you want for the kind of the icon there, and make it a group, and you just hit save. I'm not going to attach a picture. So here it is. If I wanted a picture to be right here, a visual aid icon, I could do that. So there it is, and very simple how to at least set it up. Now if you're using BigCampus, you're going to have to add your students to this group. So you would go to Members, and you would start typing in their names, and just click on them and it'll add them to your group. Discussions I've used recently, I love it. I add a discussion, I title it, and I tell them what I want to write about, and then I hit save, and from there kids can click on there and have basically like a wall online discussion where they post on there, and the kids can see it probably like you've done in Blackboard in your college classes. But I've loved using discussions this year. Other things that you can do, here's Pages. Pages allows you to set something for your home screen, kind of what you're doing for that week. And to do that, you can just make them separately, or if you want a header like I had with my name and the website and all that, you can go to Manage Page Templates, add a template, and so at least you've got the same consistent header from time to time. Title it, put whatever you want for your standard heading. If you want to link something, say this went to your class website or something like that, then you would get your URL from a different tab and copy that, and then you highlight here, go to the link, paste it in there, and one key thing, go to Target and set it to open in a new window. That way it opens up a new tab up there, or a new window. Doesn't take over this one, so kids can go back and forth between those if they want to. But that's how you link something from there. Or if it was your email, you can link it from that. I think it's a pretty similar way. You can change your fonts and your colors and those type of things. To put a video on there from YouTube, that's kind of a whole different ball game that I might show you in a different video under my name. So anyway, you put that in there, and you just scroll down to save, which will be at the bottom. If you've got a bunch of student members, then their names will show up here. So you got to scroll at the end of that list and hit save. Like I said, I'll show you how to put a video on and get videos in a different YouTube clip under my account. So that's all you do. You hit save, and now you've got a template for your pages. So if I want to now add a page for my home screen, I just go to add a page. I've got my template set up. I choose my template that I just made, and see, it puts it on there. So now I can tell them what we're doing this week and go through that as detailed or as simple as I want. I can put links to websites using this. I can put those videos on there from here, from the Big Campus library. Very simple stuff. Then what you have to do is tell it to make this your home page. You'll scroll down past all your members and you hit save. And so, okay, page title can't be blank, so I'm going to call it week 1. And there we go. Simple. So now, as you'll notice, when I go to my home, this is where, when kids went to this group, they would see this for that week. So when I want to make one for week 2, I'll go back to pages. I'll add a page. I'll title it week 2. I will use my standard template for my title and heading and stuff, and I'll tell them about week 2. I scroll down. When I want this to be the home page, I'll click there and I'll hit save. Now I've got a week 2 set up. So as you can see from here, now I've got my list, and kids that are in this group can go to pages and see the weeks past and what they've done. So just because you update a new home page doesn't mean that they can't do that. Piece of cake. Good luck.